Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer prescription refills with Rite Aid. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. To transfer your prescription refills to Rite Aid, start by gathering your information. You'll need your current prescription details, including the medication name and the doctor's contact information. Next, visit the Rite Aid website or mobile app. If you don't already have an account, create one to access your prescription management tools. Once logged in, look for the option to transfer prescriptions. Click on this option to begin the transfer process. Fill in the required fields with your current pharmacy's information. Provide the prescription number, if available, and any other requested details. Select the specific medications you want to transfer. After entering this information, review your inputs for accuracy. Once confirmed, submit your transfer request. Rite Aid will notify your current pharmacy to complete the transfer. This process typically takes a few days, but you may call Rite Aid for updates. If you prefer, you can also initiate a transfer by calling your local Rite Aid pharmacy directly. Provide them with your prescription information and your current pharmacy's details during the call. They will guide you through the necessary steps to complete the transfer. After the transfer is finalized, you'll receive a notification from Rite Aid. Now you're ready to pick up your prescriptions at your new pharmacy location. Be sure to check if your insurance is accepted at Rite Aid. This ensures a smooth process when you go to fill your medications. If you have any further questions, don't hesitate to ask the pharmacists at Rite Aid. They are there to help you with any additional information or assistance you may need. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.